Here's the question. I got asked by a social media marketing professional who's working for their clients. This is the question. Should I join LinkedIn groups to promote my clients' company pages? That's the question. The answer is no. Look, LinkedIn groups are hard to get value from, primarily because of exactly this issue. People will jump on LinkedIn groups, they become a member, and they start posting all about themselves, their companies, their products, and their services. And because of this, LinkedIn groups have become really hard to get value from. Now think about that. If everywhere you show up, LinkedIn groups, all you want to do is talk about your products, your services, and your company to try to get people to look at your company page. If every time you show up, that's all you're posting, people are going to quickly start turning their backs on you. Think of LinkedIn groups and LinkedIn overall as a networking place, professional networking, for other humans to engage in conversations. And just like networking in real life, when you network on social media, if all you ever talk about is yourself, your products, your services, or your company, you will quickly discover that your network will begin to turn their back on you, even on social media. They'll start ignoring you. They'll start realizing that all you are there to do is talk about yourself, products, services, or company. So don't do that. What you want to subscribe to is this philosophy, and that is 9 times out of 10, the content you put on LinkedIn, including on LinkedIn groups, including your LinkedIn company page, 9 times out of 10, the content should be not about your company, not about your products, your services, or you. Instead, that content should be of relevance and interest to your target audience. Now, it should be relevant to what you do, but not about you. It should be relevant to what your company does, but not about your company. Relevant to your products and services, but not about your products and services. And if you do that pretty consistently, 9 times out of 10, not about you, but highly relevant to your target audience and your most important viewer, your ideal client, etc., then you will start discovering that people will be paying attention to you. Whether it gets in LinkedIn groups, your LinkedIn company page, or your personal post. Use that model, and then the 10th time, your content can be about you, your company, your products, or your services. And people will be accepting of that because they know that 90% of the time you're giving them content that's really relevant and useful to them. So again, if you're going to join LinkedIn groups, be giving that kind of content. And you'll discover that the group members, especially if it's a group that's relevant to you as it should be, relevant to your company as it should be, then you'll discover that those group members care about you a little bit more than they care about all of that other content that's floating down the group river. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope these ideas are helpful for you.